This video will make you happy all day. Animals around the world have their own unique ways of showing affection towards humans. All animals see us as their everything. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to start this exciting journey right away. This is a very special way the dog greets its owner every time he comes home from work. How would you feel if you were greeted by a pack of dogs like this every time you came home? The lion's love for this man is immense. It hugs him tightly every chance it gets. Isn't it wonderful to have a dog that's ready to protect you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Give me a kiss. I'm sorry. Okay, that's okay.
Little lions are just like big, adorable cats, aren't they?
No shortage of love.
We often seek connection, affection, and comfort. Those little parrots have found that with their owner, and the love they give has been returned. What is the largest pet you own? And would you want a dairy cow like the one in the video as a pet? Would you be happy to have a wild honey badger wanting to be hugged by you?
At least in this one's case, just ran right towards me, but then lets me pick it right up. Has made no try to bite. Such a cute little animal.
The protective instinct of dogs is very strong, and this action also shows their intelligence and keen sensitivity.
Okay.
Stop it. Go away.
The camel chases the man in every way just to get a hug. This shows that happiness can come from the smallest actions.
She's laughing.
Do you believe that dogs know how to make babies happy?
You like her more than me? You want to go here?
No matter how many obstacles there are, the dog will still overcome them to be with the person it loves. The video captures a fascinating and profound encounter between a human and a sea octopus. It seems like the octopus is very intrigued by the person. The boy can't stop laughing when the little dog greets him home.
Sissy, down.
A fearsome creature like a shark can also have a warm affection for humans. Does this scene surprise you? Is there anyone here who owns a husky? They must be the funniest dogs on the planet.
Stella! 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 Hi, baby! Hi, baby!
The seal saw the diver nearby and approached to hug his leg. They might become friends from now on. Imagine coming home after a tiring day at work and being greeted by a large, gentle, four-legged friend. All your fatigue will naturally melt away. There's nothing more pure than a boy and his dog. Can you guess how long it took this man to finish his work while being interrupted by his beloved cow?
I know. Looks like you want to say something to me. Oh, yeah.
This is a video of two old friends catching up after many months apart. Sometimes, happiness is simply being with the people you love.
Who is it? Come on, Sam.
The dog reunited with its owner after 2 months. At first, it was wary, but after smelling the familiar scent, it rushed into the man's arms. No matter what kind of animal it is, a tight hug is definitely something they love to receive from humans.
Bir tane de bana. Bir tane daha bana. Bir tane daha bana. Bir tane.
This cat has received plenty of love from the family members. Don't forget to show affection to your furry friend as well.
Bir tane daha bana. Bir tane.
Cats have their own unique ways of showing affection. Gentle yet very endearing, don't you think? This horse missed its owner so much that it couldn't stop hugging her.
Henry! Good morning, buddy.
Every morning should start like this. No sound has ever been sweeter. It would be so delightful if a bunch of puppies ran out to greet you, wouldn't it? An emotional embrace between the deer and its human friend. Have you ever seen a deer hug a person like that?
Who's here? Who is it? Who's that?
How does your dog usually welcome you home? Please share it with me.
I know. Who is it?
Tá com frio, viu? Tá com frio, tá frio.
Have you ever tried raising a duck? I think it would be an interesting experience. Have you ever seen a wild raccoon actively making friends and playing with a child? It's really adorable to see an otter working out at the gym, isn't it? Both of them have decided to build a lot of muscle in the coming time. No matter where the father of these ducklings goes, he will always be completely protected by them.
Como é que eu vou trabalhar? Como é que eu vou trabalhar com essa turma, cara? Trabalhar em 7 horas, eles não tem como se escapar dele. Eu não posso, cara.
This giant four-legged friend always gives his mother the warmest welcome. This duck missed the farm owner a lot and is determined to give her a hug.
You're not supposed to be in the garden.
Have you ever tried telling a story to your dogs?
Isn't that a nice story, kids? I love you. Bye. Good night.
A dog with a passion for dancing is both hilarious and adorable. The adorable dog can't resist the allure of food.
Yummy.
Dogs always know how to make babies smile brightly. I wish I could hug a wombat like this.
Good boy.
it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.